Okay, so now what I want to do is go ahead and kind of cover some of this. Let me turn it around so you can kind of see the front. Kind of have that coming down a little bit. Okay, so we have the beer mugs done, and they're a little rocky. It's because of the paper. I'm hoping when I put this on that it'll secure it a little bit more. If not, then I'll have to secure it at the base. Okay, so need a little bit more hot glue up here at the top, right on the plastic. Okay, that helped. Get rid of these glue cobwebs here and pop down some of that icing. Okay, so what I want to do, this cute little hat, I'm going to go ahead and pop this on top. You could glue this on if you wanted to. I don't think it really needs it, but you could certainly do that. How cute. See if I can hide that label. I just love that hat. He's so cute. Okay, let's see. Am I level? Looks like it's going off that way a little bit. So what we could do is, see, it looks like it's kind of tilting down this way. So if I go like this, it straightens it out. So that means I need to push this hat, have this hat kind of come down on this side a little bit more. So I'll put some more hot glue in there and push that down. Okay, now it's too much this way, but when I let go of this, it'll probably go back that way a little bit. See? Yep, there we go. And, you know, if you still have a problem, what you could do is actually just, you know, jimmy something under there to kind of straighten it up. And you'll be fine. How cute is that? Okay, now it's cupcake time. Okay, so let me kind of move this out of the way, and we will get our cupcakes going.